In Liukeng, Jiangxi, every day begins with the melody of birdsong and the window farming the serene mountains, welcoming the arrival of new dawn. I cherish this verdant land of Liukeng, where the ancient village of Liukeng is cradled by winding waters and embarrassing hills. Longhu Lake shimmers with emerald waves, its intricate underground drainage system resembling a spider web, while a 1,000-year-old camphor forest stretches for miles in large splendor. The golden bamboo groves and cascading waterfalls, with their murmuring green streams, narrate a timeless tale of harmony between humanity and nature. For centuries, the peoples of this land have woven green into the fabric of their lives and dreams. I aspire to follow in the footsteps of our ancestors, to lose myself in the beauty of mountains and waters, to part the clouds and gaze at the stars. On the tip of tongue, a deep-seated passion for green is infused, and this passion, along with cultures of Linchan and Luling, is captured in the steamed dishes on the dining table, delivering a liveful and aromatic experience between the lips and the teeth. I yearn for green, I adore green, and I love the green of today's Liukeng. This green is a boundless sea of bamboo, the enduring forest, a plate of red fish, a piece of tofu, a bowl of rice noodles, and a jar of fragrant rice wine. This green has transcended mountains and seas, radiating the confidence and openness of this land.